This week, with thanks to the online retailer banggood.com, we have been supplied with these brand new Bakeey G10 Series 2 TWS earphones, which have the latest Bluetooth 5.2 technology built in. Now, these particular earphones are indeed specified as having a charge time of up to 2 hours, and again a specified 5 hours music playback time. But nope! On this channel, we don't simply rely on the text on the side of the box. No. So we will be testing this out as well as many other aspects over the next few days. But for now, inside the box, placed within that moulded protective packaging, we have the earphone charge case with the earbuds inside. As well as that, we have a Type-C charge cable, so yes, we do have fast charging. With an included very simple how to use manual, which inside specifies that you only have 4 hours music playback time. Can that be? It says different on the box. Oh well, again we will indeed be testing this aspect out real soon anyway. Looking at the charge case, I've got to say I really do love the design. It has a really lovely shape to it, matte white in colour, really compact, it will sit nicely within your pocket, and these earphones also do come in a nice black and pink colour tone too. To the rear of that charge case we have that Type-C charge port. The lid is indeed magnetically sealed and, okay, hang on a minute, how much were these again? £14. £14, okay, so that's around what, 19 in US dollars? For what looks like some beautiful looking, well designed earphones with a charge case that also has a power and charging indicators to the front. Now when these earphones are placed and pulled in magnetically into those embedded sockets, the lights on the front of the unit, when that lid is shut, they will illuminate in blue, then go off once those earbuds are fully charged. That central light to the front as well as those two side lights will light up in green when the lid is opened to simply indicate that this case has power left on the battery. And if it's running low on juice, then it will flash to notify you to basically plug it in and get recharging it. And yes, when it is fully charged, those lights will go out. So the battery in this case has a 250 mAh battery. It is capable of supplying up to 24 hours extended charge of your earbuds on the go, with 3 full recharges of the earphones, and it does take around 2 hours to recharge them. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the earphones then. Right then, so these Bakeey G10 Series 2, well, they are improved, they have a soft, subtle, sleek and unique design. I personally do think that they look very attractive in this grey and white colour tone, and yes, they do have a bit of an earbud look to them. Now when both of these earbuds are took out of the charge case, well, in fact, as soon as the charge case lid is open, both earphones will go into pairing mode. The LEDs on the side will begin to flash. Pairing is really swift, simply by selecting G10 from your Bluetooth device list on your mobile phone. There should be a very quick pairing request on screen, select OK, and you should now have connectivity to your earbuds, as well as having a battery indication level displayed upon your mobile device screen. Now, since we have initially opened these earphones, we have indeed tested them out over a good number of days. And to be honest, because they are not only ergonomically shaped, but super light too, they are surprisingly very comfortable. Each one of these earphones are not only equipped with AAC noise cancelling microphones to help cut out the outside noises when making those all important calls, but with Bluetooth 5.2 being built in, and with them also being equipped with esports game chips, these earphones do provide, from what we have tested, very good low latency. Okay, I wouldn't say it's the 15 milliseconds that are specified, but then everything when playing games and movies was very smooth, with no sound sync problems, with a fantastic 13 meters stable connection. They are very secure, and you shouldn't have any type of worries working with these earbuds in, going for a run or working out. Especially outside, as they are indeed IPX6 waterproof and sweatproof, yeah. When it comes to the G10's touch controls, they almost have my preferred layout. So they have simple press for play, pause, call answering, a double press on either earphone for the previous and next track selections, with 3 single taps to switch between game, music and AAC noise cancelling modes. If you hold those touch buttons for 3 seconds, you will have access to your voice assistant, and if you hold it for 5 seconds, it will turn those earbuds off, which will unfortunately require you to place them back into the charge case, close the lid just for a second, and open it back up again in order for them to auto connect to your mobile phone once again. Audio quality, well, Okay, so before we get carried away, let's just start by saying that after personalizing my audio settings on my mobile phone, the volume on these earphones is very high.
Whoa!
They are quite immersive when listening to music, with the treble that sits just a tad bit high for my liking. Don't get me wrong, these headphones are really punchy. They have some above average bass, nice mid-levels that, in the end, may require you to turn the volume down to around 90% for that audio to sound silky smooth when switching between different genres of music. Oh, by the way guys, off topic, isn't it weird how they actually have all the different categories for music on your phone equalizer? Yeah, it doesn't have hip-hop. You'd think that in 2021 you'd at least have a preset equalizer setting for hip-hop music. Yeah, just saying, you know. Now you can use these earphones singular or binaural. The microphones are not too bad when making calls, or indeed using them for bits of FaceTime. Here's an example. This is exactly what your voice is going to sound like when using these earphones to make calls. Now with regards to Bluetooth connection, it is fantastic. There's no random disconnections whatsoever, but I have noticed that there is a bit of a voice delay, as you can notice on screen just now. Yeah, there is a bit of a latency issue, but it is ever so much minute. But with regards to my own voice, it is nice and clear, but every so often it does sound a tiny bit muffled. We have gone ahead and changed that mode to gaming mode, and as you notice, the voice latency is pretty much improved. Yeah, not too bad. The AAC does a really good job blanking out 60% of that background noise. But overall, I really do like these earphones. The only thing I would say with regards to these earphones, what might be a bit of a negative, is that when you're choosing different modes, well, the language within the earphones isn't actually English language, and there's no way of changing it, I'm afraid. It's not a biggie really, but if you do learn how to use the controls from that user manual, you shouldn't have a massive problem. But yeah, they are fantastic earphones. They are certainly quite cheap enough, and I'm glad I actually was sent them this week. And yeah, for £14, I certainly can recommend them. The charge case, the earphones look real swell. Not used that word in a while. Yeah, they look real swell. And if you want to check them out, I have left a link in the video description down below. If you have liked what you've seen today, why not check them out for yourself? Pick some up for yourself or your kids for Christmas, and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please smash a like on this video. Again, I'd very much appreciate it if you please subscribe to this channel today, keeping in mind to fully support us by hitting that bell notification option, so you guys will stay updated on our very next upload. Now, it's been fascinating reviewing these earphones this week, and we have been sent a few more items from the Banggood website that we need to review. So we will upload those videos in the next few days. Stay tuned for them. But as usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!